Good morning, everybody. Or should I say good afternoon here in America on the eastern side. It's been, I guess, 12 days since I rode my steel horse. Ouch. So you know what time it is. I can't emphasize enough how important riding is to me. I feel like it's kind of like a snorkel when you go diving. It's a really nice day today, guys. No matter how dark it is in your life, there's always light. And all you need is a crack of light to light up the dark world. And believe me, this is a very dark world. Just take a look around you, the way people are acting. A lot of it is just, well, when you use the word brainwash, people already shut themselves out. And those are words that are used by the same people that are brainwashing you. Let's call it mind control. Music that you listen to, your favorite TV show, admiring actors that you know nothing of. Well, now you do. Now you know what they do at parties and stuff and who they really are. It's disgusting, isn't it? So in my last days of life here, and I mean that because, well, I'm pretty sick. I'm not sad about it. I'm actually looking forward to meeting God and His Son. It's going to be glorious, compared to this shithole that we call life. We still have to strive and look for the positive, right? This is my positive right there. As soon as, dude, like 10 minutes from now, everything I just said doesn't mean shit. Freedom. Motorcycles represent freedom. Freedom of mind. Freedom all the way around, guys.